Sige. So ito ho nangyari diyan sa First District po ng Batangas. Ano ho ang masasabi nyo dito, Secretary?
Aba, if he is doing it on his own, dito, bahala siya sa buhay niya. I wish this kind of people actually na eto na naman tayo. These are the people as attorneys na naman ng image of the department. So it's unfortunate that there are people like this. Kung sa kanya lang po ang initiative on issue na pananood, and I think it does not have any place in the department, so to speak, kung pagkaganon po. I will not tolerate this kind of an attitude of anybody in the department po na asal na ganyan.
Ano ba meron bang report sa inyo, ang regional director dito, sir? Sa pangyayaring ito, nagtanong-tanong ba kayo? Ano ito? Ano itong galaw na ito ng isang DE diyan sa Batangas?
Oo nga po. I just, yung mga information lang po ang nito, I have not really spoken kasi it was yesterday was holiday and today I have to get all the information po from the regional director and a complete account on what happened there.
Opo, sige. So,
and in the meantime, I'm going to issue the preventive suspension of that district engineer today po.
Opo, ito bang si Abelardo Calalo matagal ng district engineer po?
Ano siya lang po, I think he's not a full-fledged district engineer. He is just an office OIC, officer in charge po in that district for the time being po.
Hindi pa to nakakapasa ng DE examination?
Hindi pa po.
So OIC pa lang ito. Sino nag-appoint dito sa kanya, sir? Panahon niya ba ito, sir?
I would not know kung I was the one who assigned yung assignment niya. I'm not sure po. Baka ako rin ang nag-ano ng assignment niya.